channel. If you are seeing this face for the first time or if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. As you people already know from the title, this video is about shopping for women, which includes few Instagram pages or Instagram handles. ఒకవేళ మీరు నా previous videos చూడకపోతే just to remember you people, నేను ఇంతకు ముందు 3 videos about shopping చేశాను. One is related about the tips to shop online and the 2 other are me suggesting few websites to shop from for both men and women. After this video, please make sure that you check those videos as well. Endukante maybe you can get something useful from those videos. So coming back to today's video, this video includes few Instagram handles, few gaadu, lot more Instagram handles unnai. I went through so many Instagram pages, handles just for this video to suggest you guys. The best of them will be suggested in this video. So if you are excited further, please make sure that you watch this video till the end. The first Instagram page which I want to share with you in this video is Yankita Kapoor Official. Okavela nenu page ni tappuga pronounce chesunte please excuse me. This is how the page looks like. It has a huge range of kurtas, dresses available. Each Instagram post kinda they will mention a WhatsApp number to which you can message them, and a particular dress gurinchi they will give all the details for you, and from there you can directly order them. I will mention each and every Instagram handle in the description box below so that you can definitely check them out. The next Instagram page is also related to traditional wear and the name is Indian Rani. This is how the page looks like. Indulo range of sarees, kurtas, lehengas available untai, even dresses as well. So you can definitely check them. I will insert few pictures related to that page. Meeku koncham idea vastadi about those products. If you are okay with those images, check this page out. I will leave the link in the description box below. And the third page which I want to mention is Femi. Wait, I'll spell it out. FEMI9.by.as. So idi oka private account. In case if you want to check this account, you have to definitely follow. Induki Instagram page ni follow avvochu ane daniki nenu oka reason chepta. That is valid for me. Ee reason me kuda valid avvalani nee name cheppatlenu. And the reason is Instagram page lo they have a good range of western wear, real ga unique pieces unnai. So if you want something unique, you can definitely check this page out. Meeku oka idea kosamane I will leave some pictures over here. The fourth page which I want to suggest is rustorange.com. They have their own website as well. I will leave both the links in the description box below. This Instagram page is also related to Indian wear, fusion wear sort of అని చెప్పొచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే it has a slight western touch as well. So I name it as a fusion wear. Konni pieces. This is how the page looks like. If you find this page interesting, you can definitely check it out. And the next Instagram shopping page which I want to suggest is Misa More Clothing. ఒకవేళ మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా ప్రొనౌన్సియేషన్ తప్పైతే ప్లీజ్ ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ. ఈ పర్టికులర్ పేజ్లో యూ విల్ ఫైండ్ వెస్టర్న్ వేర్ ఎట్ అ వెరీ అఫోర్డబుల్ రేట్. కొన్నిటికి దే విల్ హ్యావ్ ఎ కాంబో లైక్ buy 3 at particular rate, buy 2 at particular rate. They will have fusion wear and western wear as well. I will insert few pictures related to that page so that you can get an idea. Moving forward, and the next one is Scissors Clothing. Ee particular page lo you will find Indian or traditional wear. This is how the Instagram page looks like. You can definitely have a look at some good range of variety in this page. And the next Instagram page which I want to mention in this video is Resh Collections. This is a beautiful page in which chala variety of traditional wear available unnai. Found this page so interesting, అందుకే మీకు ఇంత స్ట్రెస్ చేసి చెప్తున్నాం. And the pieces which are available in this page are at a very affordable rate. ముందు వేరే పేజెస్ కి మెన్షన్ చేసినట్టు ఈ పేజ్ లో కూడా ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ఆర్డర్ ఎనీ పీస్ ఫ్రమ్ దెమ్ దే హ్యావ్ ఎ పర్టికులర్ వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ displayed in their bio. You can directly DM them and know all the details about the product. The next shopping Instagram page which I want to mention is 20 dresses. This shopping Instagram page and next mention is Instagram page. ఈ రెండింటిని I can tell you Shein alternatives లాగా, ఎందుకంటే I have found many unique pieces in these pages. If you are someone who likes those sort of designs, you can definitely check this Instagram page. This is how the page looks like. They have a very trendy and yet updated version of their collection. ఈ Instagram page తో పాటు I want to mention another Instagram page called I Love Incense. This page do have a wide range of western wear in it. You can definitely check this page as well. I will insert few pictures on the screen which are related to this page so that you can get a clear idea. Ee particular shopping platform offline lo kuda available undi. If you are someone from Delhi, you can definitely check the offline store which is located in Delhi. And the last Instagram page, last but one Instagram page I want to mention is Mugdha Art Studio. This main branch is located in Hyderabad. Ee Instagram page lo you will find mainly Indian wear or traditional wear, pattu saree. Naaku telisina vallu so many people do shop from this particular Instagram page. The last Instagram page which I want to mention in this video, actually the last Instagram page kaadu, I have another Instagram page suggestion for you, but that is not related to women. It is related to kids. Instagram page which I am going to suggest to you, that is Paris Ritchie. Indulo you will find good, comfortable yet good looking clothes. Indulo plus point you can find nightwear as well at a very affordable rate. Trust me, chala reasonable price range undi deentlo. You can definitely check this page out. These are few pictures which are related to that page. I will leave each and every Instagram page link in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. The last but not the least, this Instagram page is not related to women. This is related to kids. If you are someone who wants to shop online for kids, this is a perfect Instagram page. They have a wide range of comfortable clothes and at a very affordable rate. You can definitely check this page out. This is how the Instagram page looks like. I will insert few pictures related to that page. If you are interested, you can definitely check it out. And this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please make sure that you like this video and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. In case if you want to share your thoughts or if you want to recommend me any ideas about the videos which I am doing, you can definitely message me through Instagram. I will mention my Instagram handle in the description box below. Yeah, I will see you in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, take care and bye.